Thanks for checking in as we take a look at your national coast-to-coast forecaster on this Tuesday. It is the 3rd of October, and we're still pretty quiet in the tropics, thankfully. And we just ended a stretch of nearly 38 consecutive days with named storms in the Atlantic Basin. That's the third longest stretch on record. That snow in the western U.S. will begin to fade a little bit here, and we're still tracking some heavy rain in the central U.S. Now, the National Hurricane Center watching a couple of different waves here. Low probability of tropical formation over the next 5 days. However, we do have this moisture that is going to be running over the southern half of Florida, and this is going to continue over the next several days. So that could actually lead to some pretty heavy rains, especially from Tampa south to Miami and, of course, Key West. That's where temperatures will be very summer-like, but precipitation values, again, could be upwards of 1 to 2+ inch tallies. So, again, maybe leading to a little bit of isolated flood concerns. Meanwhile, in the eastern Pacific, a moderate chance of tropical formation with that wave. And then how about this? Some snow across the high elevations of the Intermountain West, doing a little snow plowing in Utah. We have winter storm warnings continuing for northern Montana and winter weather advisories for places just south of that. But still a pretty decent amount, and total amounts of snow in those areas could be approaching 6 to 12+, and a little bit of snow still ongoing in some areas out near Nevada. But that snow eventually winds up later on today. As that storm system departs, it will be cooler in the wake of that. Another system again continuing to show some snow through the high elevations there. There is your severe threat from yesterday. Again, everything kind of shifts east from that. But with that, we had some very heavy rainfall. Again, some flash flooding potential still early this morning across the Midwest. But as I mentioned, the thunder threat, severe threat is diminishing, and that heavy rain threat is going to be shifting east a little bit from Des Moines to Chicago. And temperatures in that area will still be quite warm. Chicago to Dallas still in the mid-80s.